Anila, Veni, Julie, students of Ambalapuram Model Higher Secondary School. Vrinda, Papinisheri, Kannur. We have at least 18 such cases of reported suspicious deaths linked with love jihad and other killings. Hello. Yeah, there is definitely documentation in terms of people who, there are about cases who have gone from Kerala, joined the IS. The most recent is that of a news disclosed by the Chief Minister of Kerala, Shri Pinarayi Vijayan himself. It was about Praju, who converted as Muhammad Amin. This is a news from Balusheri. I am just quoting the news. Praju's wife, a native of Balusheri, learnt about the whereabouts of her husband who fled 8 years ago after Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's statement in a press conference. Pinarayi Vijayan, who was speaking in the context of narcotic jihad, had revealed that Praju, a resident of Turutiyat Balusheri, was included in the list of Malayalis who joined the IS. Praju, Muhammad Amin, who is also accused in the Kinanur Mangayam Amina Uma murder case, fled the country after causing a huge financial burden on his wife and family. The wife says that it is no surprise that he has joined a terrorist organization because he would do anything for money. He has married 4 times. Praju converted to Islam 3 years before marrying her. The young woman revealed that the man who had strong religious beliefs had forced her, a Sunni believer, to be radical in her beliefs and told her that if she did so, she would get money as she wished. In 2009, Amina Uma, an elderly woman, was murdered by living alone in her house in Mangayam, Variyamala. Due to lack of evidence, the court acquitted Praju and another accused, that is in the murder case, due to lack of evidence. This was mentioned by the Chief Minister of Kerala himself. We have different cases, recorded evidence which was reported in news itself of different people who converted or got radicalized, or people who belong to a certain community or region themselves who got radicalized and joined terrorist organization. No, not just IS but other terrorist organizations also. Not just that, there is recordable evidence of cases of love jihad in which the girl was found dead, girl or girls were found dead in suspicious situations. For example, Anila, Veni, Julie, students of Ambalapuram, all this is related to Kerala. Anila, Veni, Julie, students of Ambalapuram Model Higher Secondary School. Vrinda, Papinisheri, Kannur. We have at least 18 such cases of reported suspicious deaths linked with love jihad and other killings.